Alden Richard update, and dahil pa nga nagpa-picture kay Alden dyan sa BIR 2026 tax campaign kick-off. And congrats kay Alden, most outstanding taxpayer pa nga. Ito yung
For
video
the
ni
giving
Alden.
of the token of appreciation to Mr. Alden Richards.
Yun. Congrats kay Alden. Hindi ba talaga si Alden? Then yun sa kalang-balag Jose Rizal Police.
Once again, thank you very much and congratulations, Mr. Alden Richards.
Yun, ito babati ni Alden.
Oh, ito walang hamon tilapia. Shoutout sa'yo. Salamat sa vlog dun sa McDo natin dyan sa Santa Rosa Bayan. More power to you. God bless. Ingat ka palagi.
Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for my update. This is Pictured Action Live. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.